Now the On Your Side forecast with Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval.
The big story is the snow on the ground and the bitter cold temperatures coming in as we speak. Temperatures are dropping, and as that sun goes down, we'll be below zero before you know it this evening. There are places up north that were below zero, well below zero. I got a report from Cascade east on the east side, 24 degrees below zero this morning. It was 12 below at McCall at the airport. It is 9 right now in Boise with a wind chill factor of 1. It is definitely bitter out there, and it will get only colder tonight, and the high temperature tomorrow won't even reach where it is now. It might reach 9. It's going to be a close call. You see those current readings. These are not wind chill factors, but actual readings. It's 9 below zero in Stanley, where it was way below zero overnight, with temperatures dropping down to some 28, 29 degrees below zero in Stanley. Deep blue sky, deep snowpack, some fog this morning. It is a frozen tundra up there in the Stanley Basin, where again, we're still sitting at 9 degrees below zero. Beautiful view in the McCall area up in the lake here with all that snow. And again, the clear sky, just gorgeous conditions, that deep snowpack, a little bit more equipped for that snow up there in those higher elevations, but not in the valleys. We're having difficulty removing a lot of the snow from around the region. Magic Valley, you're at -1 right now. Take a look at this Blue Lakes Boulevard this morning. Yesterday, just blizzard conditions whipping the snow across the road. It has finally cleared on up, but look at that temperature. Twin Falls at -1. Had a foot of snow in Twin Falls, 2-foot snow drifts, blizzard conditions, brutal winter conditions. Snow and rain is coming into the Magic Valley this weekend, which is going to make for a little bit of a mess going on in many valley locations. Let's take a look at some of the snowfall. These are some of the reports that came in from the National Weather Service. Some of these are higher than some of the other ones I saw. There were some that were in the 6-inch range, but look at this. North of Meridian, 10.5 inches, 9.5 inches. Southeast of Kuna, 8 in Kuna, 8.2 inches. Again, south of Meridian, 8.6 inches in southeast Boise, 6.6 in Homedale, above 9 inches west of Caldwell near the Greenleaf area. So a tremendous amount of snow during this 2-day storm. I had mentioned the potential was there for a 6 to 10 inch snowstorm, and it certainly did materialize. That's the type of weather pattern. The one that we have been in is the one where Boise can get the big snows. Here's the latest situation. Wind chill warning now. It goes to the Ada Canyon County line, but really it's supposed to be just east of Boise here. So east of Boise, not including Boise in the wind chill warning, but east of Boise to Mountain Home to the Magic Valley, wind chills of -20 to -30 overnight tonight, tomorrow. So it is bitter cold out there as that frigid air mass moves in with a little bit of a breeze, and that little bit of a breeze and the deep cold temperatures making it feel even colder outside. It's out with that storm system, but there's another one coming in from the west. Moisture is now developing here, coming out of the tropics from the Hawaiian Islands. It's headed up in our direction again, and this will come blasting into the north and west. This will be an onslaught for weeks to come of moisture across the west. I saw some charts over the next week in the Sierra, 27 inches of moisture. If you convert that to snow and it all falls, that's 270 inches of snow. Now, I don't expect that much to fall in the Sierra, but we're talking about a huge amount of moisture coming in over the next week. And then the week after that, almost as much moisture as well. So we're dealing with a very, very stormy weather pattern, this La Nina weather pattern that has moved in. So for tomorrow on our Futurecast, we see the sunshine. Beautiful day as far as the sun goes, but it will be bitter cold out there. And then on Saturday, the clouds will increase, and here comes the snow about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll get 1 to 3 inches of snow easily in the Treasure Valley during Saturday afternoon. But here's the big question. This computer shows rain in the Treasure Valley. This may not happen. This may just stay all snow because of the colder temperatures, or at least freezing rain. Better chance for rain Mountain Home down to Twin Falls. I'll be talking more about that as we move through. We'll have to take a close look at the storm system. In the meantime, I do expect snow coming into the region on Saturday, at least 1 to 3 inches. Quick check at that Treasure Valley forecast coming up for tomorrow. Look at these low temperatures, -5, -6. It will definitely be on the cold side with high temperatures only in the single digits tomorrow. Let's get right to that extended forecast. -9 tomorrow morning. The record is 0 for tomorrow and Saturday morning. We will break both of those records very likely. Snow comes in on Saturday. It may stay snow much of the day on Sunday and then mix with some freezing rain. And it's a really difficult forecast because this situation hasn't set up in a long time.
Right.
So it's tough to forecast it because we don't have a lot to go on.
Snow, rain, mess.
You know, more snow's coming.
Yes.
Graphic video showing 4 people torturing a special needs man is fueling calls for hate crime prosecution. Up next, the latest on the terrible attack and the possible repercussions. You're watching 6 on Your Side.
That's okay. Yeah,